If you have a automatic soap dispenser, this method refill of the original gel soap is something you've really got to get. You can easily make it last 3 times its volume. If you take your automatic soap dispenser and fill it 1/3 full and then fill the rest with water, it makes the best foaming soap. It's really luxurious and velvety foamy. So this is my hack for saving some money. It really easily mixes. Once you get the water in there, you just kind of turn your soap dispenser upside down. You don't even really have to shake it, and it mixes up well. So if you're looking to save money on your foaming soap for your soap, I mean, this doesn't have to be an automatic soap dispenser either. It could work with just a hand foaming soap dispenser. So if you're looking to save some money refilling your foaming hand soap dispensers, I highly recommend these Method refill soaps.